What are the keys to launch your career? Let's go one by one. Knowledge. First, we need to add the knowledge. Knowledge on the module, select module, add the knowledge, have a good business process knowledge. And when you are going through the training of a module, when you are getting yourself trained, make sure whatever the training program you are selecting, okay, make sure it has these things. It should be a step-by-step learning approach. That is the first thing people are. I'm in my career counseling sessions. People come to me, sir, I took something from Udemy. Sir, I took something from some things I'm learning from YouTube. Some things I'm Googling it, and then I have taken some server from Hyderabad. The dots are not connecting. Right now, it's not a problem that the content is not there. Content is there available. Whatever the content you need to become a consultant, that is available for free on the internet. Okay, but that is a problem also, that too much content is available. You're starting one YouTube video, that take to the another YouTube video. You start Googling one thing, that take you to another side, another side. You go into the path diverting from so many different things rather than going in a highway, straight highway. You go from the village roads. The journey which you can do it in the 10 hours, it take 40 hours. All right. So it is very important, go via step by step drafted or handcrafted curriculum, step by step should be there, which you need to follow. I always tell my team that we are not in a business of knowledge. We are in a business of structured knowledge, providing structured knowledge to people, right? From wherever you are learning, from Sastrageek or from another platform, make sure you have a learning community. Learning community help you a lot. We are working for this for last 2 years. We made our learning community on Telegram because we thought that that is the most easiest tool. People quickly get connected with each other. We have a very big learning communities for each individual modules now. Okay, and with this learning module communities, you learn together. You get a lot of job requirements, job posting from the other people, right? And you get the people who are working into the same area, same region, same country, they are learning, and then you get connected with. And we also do a buddy program, learning buddy. So when we start a batch, I ask you go into the Telegram community and look for your learning buddy. If you're learning alone, sometimes it is demotivating, right? Or sometimes you will track it. There's no one to monitor you, right? So find out a learning buddy, select some program which has a good learning communities. This learning communities would be helping for longer. Okay. Though your mentors or your trainer would not be always there. I would be connecting with you once in a week, right? But sometimes you need to just have a word with someone. Just discuss with someone. With discussion itself, the problem gets resolved. But you need someone to discuss with, right? So learning community, learning buddy helps a lot. I have seen this last 7 years. I have done so many experiments with the trainings, right? And these are the few things which I found it out where I have seen that, okay, I have so many people. These people are getting very good results. These people are getting very good results. This guy is not getting it. This guy is not getting it. We do the research, what this guy is doing, what these people are doing, and that is the key differences. There are some people creating a small group, learning into the small groups, utilizing the community, utilizing the learning buddy program, and then they are able to grow very fast, learn very fast. Make sure you join the live sessions wherever it is possible, wherever it is available, because the live session gives the two things. One is energy, second is motivation, and third is discipline, right? Otherwise, recorded session is very undisciplined. If you are highly internal motivated candidate, which out of 10, I only found 2 candidates are very highly self-motivated, right? They will keep on learning by themselves. They are very highly self-motivated. Other 10 out of 8 people, and it's general human nature, will require some push, will require some motivation, will require some dose of energy that you can get in the live session. And in the live session, you are into the habit, okay, once in a week, 2 times in a week, you would be joining this session. I would be asking, Bhaiya, this assignment, you tell me, Sunil, tell me, Ramesh, why you have not completed it. Somebody's asking you, somebody's monitoring you. and you're making sure at least that sessions you're sitting, listening, and getting something. And next session you need to come and answer, okay, I have completed the previous assignments. That makes a lot of difference. If you know that if you're working in a company, you don't like the work, maybe some people like, some people don't like, even though you don't like the work, still you will complete it. Still you will do it. Why? Because the control is there, monitoring is there, right? This live session can make you in discipline, can make you in a control and monitor, right? So join that. Recorded videos are also available. Recorded videos should be available because many things you would be getting missed from the live session. So you need to go back on your self time when you're available. You need to go through the recordings. And sometimes because of the time zone issues or because of the family issues, you might be missing some live sessions. So you should be having access to recorded videos. Very good system for hands-on. Hands-on is very much required. That is the people get missed. They don't do the good hands-on. Have a good system where you are able to do good hands-on. That will give you a lot of confidence. Mock interviews. Make sure you are giving the mock interviews. That platform should have a capability to take the mock interviews. The platform should be having a capability to help you to prepare for interviews and CV building. This all things should be there in the training program. Okay, so we created our bundles, and these bundles has most of the things are available in this bundle. We have packaged it together in a bundle to give it to you. Yeah, these are the resources. Take it and fly with it, right? But you need to put the efforts. We can help you, we can guide you, we can monitor you, we can handhold you, but you are the one required putting the efforts. If you put the efforts, I can take 100% guarantee to make sure that the success come for you. Second thing, you will require to add experience. How do you can add experience? You should be having a experience in the domain. You should have some experience, or in the consulting, you should have experience. Now, yeah, that is the biggest problem. How to add experience? To add experience, we are doing multiple things. Okay, now I have a 3-level program to add the experience. First thing is that in the basic course itself, you get access to SAP Job Hunt Mastery. That is 60 to 70 hours of video, recorded videos. You go through it. Okay, we have a, okay, I will talk what is the live part of it. So there's 60 to 70 hours of video you need to go through it. That is one support project and one implementation project with all the documentation end to end, which I have delivered it. I have explained everything into that. What are the challenges? What are the documents we need to create? BBP, FS, IDocs, so many things has been explained. Because I know beyond the module knowledge, you need to know a lot of other things when you're presenting in an interview, and they are expecting more than the module. They are expecting you are very much ready for a project. What happens in a project? How you will be handling the questionnaires to the business, how you will do the fit and gap analysis, how you will prepare BBP, how you will prepare FS. All these things you should know it. So I have created in that job and mastery course. Very that generates a lot of value. When I see that generates a lot of value, I made that course complimentary with our bundles. Our all mastery bundles has job and mastery complimentary. Right? With that, you can gain the knowledge, and that knowledge you can transform it in your CVs. Second part, we have, once I see that, okay, this is the one which is creating, I saw the value after this, that a lot of people from my trainings, they started converting into the jobs. I saw the value. Then we took into the next level. The next level is internship program, which we have just started last Thursday, a USA Construction Limited project, where you with the team, SDM, MPP, FICO, ABAP people sitting together in 4 months, and it happens remotely. You need to make sure you are available for 20 hours in a week to complete that project. You would be able to do one end-to-end implementation. So knowledge which you have, theoretical knowledge which you have taken from the Java and mastery, and the module knowledge which you have taken, now you will apply that knowledge. That is the major problem. People have a knowledge, but apply kaise karna, how to apply, that is missing. That we are fulfilling with our internship program. If you need more details from the internship program, you can, I have the last session I did for the internship program only, where I explained that what would be the thing. I think the video might be available on YouTube. You can get connected with the support team. They can help you. So that way you can gain the experience. Okay. And that experience, we also give you 6 months of certification, 6 months of certificate that you have completed this project with us as an intern. in the internship. Third thing, we have started the Gurukul program. Now, Gurukul program is not for everyone. Gurukul program is a program which is available for the people who are right now not working. We are giving them the exposure for a year. It's a 1 year program. Okay, which we are trying to evolve 360-degree consultant. Earlier, I did one session, I spoke for 2 hours on what are the soft skills required for a consultant. So that is a combination of everything, giving you exposure to the implementation, giving you the more than one module knowledge, making sure we improve your communication, making sure we improve your presentation skills, making sure we do a lot of workshop to add the soft skills which is required in you. That's a full package. That package required 40 hours of commitment, that you should be available 40 hours in a week, which means you should not be working anywhere else. Or if you're working anywhere else in a shift, you can bring a 40 hours in a week, then you can join that program. But that is very specific program. We thought that people who have time, who have plenty of time, let's work on them to make sure at least them, we give a very good knowledge, intensive controlled monitoring environment. It's like working in a company, not just like we give the offer letter for it. You would be working with Sastrageek solution for a year in the Gurukul program. We give the proper offer letter there, the proper documentation happens for it. Okay, so that is the intensive 1 year program where you would be doing more than one implementation project, and you would be learning the modules also, improving the communication, improving the presentations, adding the soft skills. You would be having all the Microsoft 365 access from Sastrageek. Sastrageek IDs would be there, and 1 year experience certificate also you will get it. And the second half of the last 6 months, we are also give the stipends also we give it. Okay, so if you are interested for that Gurukul program to add experience in, because I told you that 1 to 2 years of experience you need to add in, and after that the things get fly. So if you want to add that kind of things, you can contact to the support team. So knowledge you get, experience you get, right? Two things got resolved. Communication you need to improve. Communication is thing that by default you should work on it. Whether SAP or not, it is going to help you out. Communication also always helps you out in your domain experience, or business operation experience, wherever you go, communication help you out. So by default, improve it. Availability, make sure you are available for the jobs. You are available on Naukri, you are available on LinkedIn. That is a mistake also people are doing. Preparing, sir, I'm working for last 3 years. Are you available on Naukri? Is your CV available? Are you available on LinkedIn? No, sir. Then how you will get a job? Okay, how you will get a job? I always ask people in my trainings that once they complete the 40% of the training, I ask them, we have a CV building course, go through the CV building course, prepare your CV and apply in the market. Why do you ask it? Why do I ask that approach? That I call my bottom-up approach. We are working for the job, right? Once you do that part, and when you start getting the calls, even though you are not prepared, but when you start getting the calls, when they say that, okay, are you available? Or when you start getting the emails, that motivates you a lot. They say, okay, I have started something. Now I'm getting something. People are calling me. People are sending me email. The requirement is there. If I want to apply for this job, I need to know this, I need to know. That accelerate your learning. Believe me, you are learning something, and if your interview is scheduled in a week time, you would be able to learn more than a month, right? Because when the sword is there on your neck, you run fast. Everybody can do the sprinting. The only thing missing is the barking dog. If you have a barking dog behind you, everybody can sprint, right? So that is a barking dog we want to put behind you, applying for the jobs. People are calling you, so that motivates you to quickly learn and learn more things. It's very important. A lot of people miss it. You don't miss it because you have joined today's session, right?